Hello Internet, and welcome to A Lock and Some History. On this occasion I have a Master Lock number 3, and I'll be giving you the concept behind the battle cruiser. The battle cruiser is effectively a product of the dreadnought arms race of the early 1900s, which began when the British launched the HMS Dreadnought, the first of the all-big-gun battleships, and pretty much obsoleted every other battleship afloat. This kicked off an arms race between them, Germany, the United States, and pretty much anyone else who had ambitions of being a big naval player. Now, Britain and the British Empire at the time was the most powerful naval force in the world, and they had the greatest shipbuilding industry in the world. So they came out with a fairly big lead, but even they could not build all the battleships they wanted and all the cruisers they felt they needed to patrol and protect their vast global spanning empire. So they decided, we will build a few cruisers that will sweep all other cruisers from the sea, and these were called the Dreadnought Armored Cruisers. And bit of a side note, Germans said, if a Dreadnought is a battleship with a single caliber main armament, then a Dreadnought Armored Cruiser would be an armored cruiser with a single caliber main armament, and they kind of went off on a dead-end development there with one ship, and then they realized, oh wait, that's not what this is. Because the Dreadnought Armored Cruiser was an armored cruiser hull supporting a single uniform battery of battleship-grade armament. And the first battlecruisers were of the Invincible class. And this led to responses from Germany and Japan. The other big naval players couldn't afford all the battleships they wanted, so they didn't build any. By the time the American Navy managed to get battlecruisers authorized for construction, the Washington Naval Treaty happened, and they weren't allowed to be completed as battlecruisers, and instead converted into the Lexington-class aircraft carriers, which is probably for the best because they did not have a whole lot of armor. But yeah, that's the battlecruiser concept. It was essentially a cruiser armed with battleship-grade guns to sweep all other cruisers from the field, or the seas in this case. And like most things naval, it was a British innovation. So, thank you for watching, subscribe if you want, and most importantly, have a nice day.